What's up guys, welcome to my channel. I am back with another new video. Huawei Mate 40 series will launch on October 22, but it's time for an early unveiling because the Pro model of this lineup has now leaked and revealed almost every one of its specs and full design. Huawei Mate 40 Pro comes with a 6.67-inch OLED display with pill-type hole-punch design and 456 pixel per inch resolution. The display comes with the same waterfall curvatures as the last year's Mate 30 Pro and will support the 90Hz refresh rate. Huawei Mate 40 Pro brought back the physical volume adjustment keys, which was removed in the Mate 30 Pro and can now be found on the right of the phone above the red power button. It's powered by the latest Kirin 9000 chipset. It's Huawei's last flagship Kirin processor that's manufactured with TSMC's 5nm processor. Inside the chipset, there are 4 ARM Cortex A55 cores clocked at 2.04 GHz. Huawei Mate 40 Pro will be only available in one version with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of Flash 3.1 internal storage. On the other hand, in China, users will get up to 12GB of RAM, while other variants including Pro Plus and RS Porsche design will only come with 12GB of RAM. In terms of camera specs, the Huawei Mate 40 Pro equips a 50MP main camera with f1.9 aperture and optical image stabilization, a 20MP ultra-wide angle camera with f1.8 aperture, and a 12MP periscope zoom telephoto camera with f3.4 aperture. It is expected that the camera system supports up to 8K video recording and 5x optical zoom. On the front side, there are two cameras placed in the pill-type hole punch. The first one is a 13MP f2.4 aperture selfie camera, and the other one is a 3D depth sensor for portrait shots. Huawei Mate 40 Pro comes with a 4400 mAh battery capacity that can charge with a 65W supercharge, upgrading from 40W charging in previous smartphones. Other than wired charging, the phone also supports wireless charging and wireless reverse charging. Huawei Mate 40 Pro will pre-equip EMUI 11 user interface supported by Huawei Mobile Services and App Gallery. After introducing new Apple Watch and iPad models in September and iPhone 12 and HomePod Mini in October, we are still waiting for the first Apple Silicon Mac. Although the company has said that new Macs will be introduced in 2020, we don't have any official schedule yet. Now John Prosser claims that Apple will hold its next special event on November 17 this year. According to Prosser, Apple has chosen November 17 to hold its next special event where the company will announce new Mac models, including the first Mac with Apple Silicon chip replacing Intel processors. During WWDC 2020, Apple announced the transition of Intel processors to its own Apple Silicon, which are basically the same ARM processors used in iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices. The company promised to introduce the first Apple Silicon Mac at the end of this year, but other details have not been disclosed since then. It's unclear whether Apple will introduce other products at its special November event, but Prosser said this week that Apple will launch the long-awaited AirTags next month. AirPods Studio, however, might be delayed to March 2021. As the company is holding online events due to COVID-19 pandemic, it's now easier to introduce new products separately as the press does not need to travel to Cupertino. So what do you guys think about this video? Let me know down in the comment section, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. Thank you.